President Cyril Ramaphosa says the newly built Home Affairs Office and 100 mobile trucks that were unveiled today at Mokopane in Limpopo will help reduce the influx of people at the department's offices. The mobile trucks will take Home Affairs services to people in rural areas and will ensure services are accessible during load shedding as well as poor networks. Our reporter Koketso Motau spoke to a resident at the launch.
President Cyril Ramaphosa and Minister of Home Affairs, Dr. Arun Motsoledi, have officially, opened the Home Affairs here in Mokopane. This is going to serve, the entire district of Waterberg and also people around Mokopane and the surrounding villages. But I want to tell you that along with that, the minister has also, launched these mobile trucks. These are the Home Affairs offices that will, go to the areas in remote areas where they don't have, Home Affairs offices to provide those services from the Department of Home Affairs. But I want to speak to one of the residents here, Ntate Malebana. Thank you so much for joining us here on SABC News. We understand that, Minister and the President have officially launched these trucks. Tell us, where are you from in Mokopane and how are these trucks going to benefit you?
All right, I'm Malebana Matsimela from Mokopane at Mshate, at Masetlane section. All right, the minister has arrived here, has taken a good initiative because, as you can see, and as well, we know that there's a lack of employment. Employment is very scarce, so the people who are supposed to apply for ID documents and other stuff, they were struggling to travel to the town. So it will be very much better for some of our communities, even though the trucks are very few for our provinces, because we've got only 14 trucks and we've got a big province, and then they've bought 100 trucks. According to their system, I think they should at least initiate to supply this department with at least more than 50 trucks per quarter, so that the whole of the community are benefiting without using money that's supposed to buy electricity, and they use it for transport to go and apply for such document.
So you're also coming from a rural area. Are you struggling in terms of accessing these services of the Home Affairs, and do you believe that this thing is really going to assist you as the community members?
Actually, I'm not staying far from the town. However, when we go to our offices here in town, the service is very much poor because we spend long queues and for hours. In order to get help earlier, we have to arrive there in the morning by 4 o'clock and so on. So that is not safe as well, especially in winter. It's very cold. I have experienced such incident many times. Sometimes you go there, you stay there for a long time. We're supposed to be helped. The system is not working, so we have to go back home and come back some other day. Sometimes maybe we are working. We have applied for a leave, maybe one day leave, in order to apply for a document. When the system is not working, then the day becomes a waste at all.
Minister also spoke about this new machine, kiosk machines, where people can utilize it to apply for, ID cards. They can also use it to apply for, birth certificates and other certificates which they get immediately. What do you make of that?
As I've said, that one it's a good initiative, only if these all equipments are working 100%. It will be bad for the community if they brought the equipment to the community but it's not working. Like in other departments, there is mobile clinics. They come to our villages, but when they're supposed to serve the community, there's no equipment. Sometimes there's no medications. They just come and park their mobile clinic for a certain period, then they go back. So if only these equipment are going to work for the community.